Hey folks, this is Chuck from Koaxis. I'm wearing my Lehigh hat today because it's College Search Month. May 1st is the deadline to all you parents and kids who are searching for your college. I hope you've had the same great luck that we have. My son's following my footsteps and going to Lehigh. But that's not why I'm here. I'm here to talk about this really cool cable. This one just came off the line. It's not quite finished yet, but it's got a couple of things I want to show you. First of all, it's a flexible cable. VSWR is important, and right angles, honestly, they're not good for VSWR. So we formed the flexible cable with an adhesive lined heat shrink to make a right angle and a nice gradual sweep. Gives great performance. This one happens to be an SMP Bulkhead on our K-Flex 120 cable, which is awesome for loss, high in frequency up to 40 gig, and it's got great phase tracking versus temperature too. On the other end, we've got our quarter-turn connector. Now, this is compatible with the quarter back connector that's made by some other guys, but we made it for our 120 cable, special for our customer. They needed the lower loss, they need the higher frequency, they needed the phase tracking. We stepped up to the plate and we made it for them fast. The quarter-turn connector by Koaxis, it's got a bayonet style that you positively lock by turning that thing right onto a little nubbin. Sorry for the technical terms, folks, but it's escaping me this morning. It's compatible with other connectors that are out there. They're readily available, and we've also got it for 086. So we've got the Koaxis Quarter-turn, and check out that formed right angle to keep your VSWR what it needs to be. This one also happens to be custom marked. It's not quite finished, all needs to be shrunk on yet, but that's the kind of stuff we do every day here at Koaxis. When you need cables fast, you need Koaxis.